afternoon, my name is John Robertson and I'm from Scotland, and I've had poor teeth for a long time, and I searched on the internet for implant and I found NuriDent. I researched it and I was quite impressed with the feedback that I got and all the reviews from NuriDent, and then I thought that I think that's where I'm going to go. So I booked a ticket, came over, and next day we started the procedure, which was absolutely fine, no problems. The staff were more than welcome to help. The doctor, absolutely perfect. I can't fault the whole process, and I will be back to get my top set done. And well, Dr. Nuri is first class, and he, everything before anything was happening, he would tell you everything about the procedure from start to finish, and the healthcare with that. Once all the procedure's done, he tells you how to take care of everything, and it went perfect, and his professionalism was bang on, perfect. So if you're looking for good service, good quality of work, clean environment, I would choose NuriDent. Thank you. NuriDent #1.